Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can target friends on Monopoly Go. Now if you want to attack your friend, first you need to land on the attack tiles. Now what are attack tiles? Basically the tile which says railroad over here, that is basically the attack tile. Now you need to roll the dice and you need to land on this area. Now there are 4 attack tiles on your board. You need to keep that in mind. You can land on any one of these 4 so you can attack your friend. Let's say you land on one of these attack tiles. Now what do? If you land on one of the attack tiles, it's going to take you to this place, which means it's going to ask you to attack the person. But let's say you don't want to attack this person. You want to attack your friend. In that case, you need to click on switch opponent at the bottom. Once you click on switch opponent, it'll bring you to this area. From over here, you can see the friends tab. Click on it. Once you're in your friends tab, it is going to show you a list of all the friends you have. Right beside your friend's name, there's going to be this green button called go. Now choose the friend who you want to attack and click on the go button right beside that friend's name. Once you click on go, you will be able to attack that specific friend, alright? So that is basically how we guys can attack your friends on Monopoly Go. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future Monopoly Go videos just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.